The Center Gallery at USF showcased art installations, performances, and collaborations at their annual Art Walk last week. In collaboration with Bulls Night Out and the Contemporary Art Museum, this event stretched from the Marshall Student Center to USF's art building.
Basically, the main mission of Art Walk is to get all students involved with the arts. We're going to have art installations, collaborations between artists, and crafts and free food. But basically, it's the biggest event that the Center Gallery puts on every year, and it's during Art House, which is the big art event happening over at the art building.
Towards the end of the Art Walk path was Art House, another annual art exhibition that had live music and showcased more student work. The Art Walk had a live DJ during the event, fun DIY crafts for attendees to do, and interactive art pieces.
We want to bring collaboration and interaction to the community when it comes to the arts. So our main focus really is collaboration and interaction.
The Center Gallery is on the second floor of the MSC. It is the only fully student-run nonprofit exhibition space in the state of Florida. They've hosted the Art Walk for the last 3 years, and 2018 was their largest since it started.